This spreadsheet shows the lines of an income statement from revenue down to net income. We can select a specific line using the combo box, and then the data is collated in row 16 in order to produce the graph. To make this work, we need to use the offset function. Go into the Before tab, and we can build it up one section at a time. To start, we need to collate the data. We're going to do that in row 16, and we're going to use the offset function. We will start by using the revenue in line 1. Enter the number 1 into cell B3. That will be our linked cell. And then in cell B16, enter the offset function, equals offset, followed by the reference, that's the starting point. Here it's the title year, followed by the number of rows we're going to go down, which is 1. That is cell B3, followed by the number of columns we're going to go across, which is 0. That returns the title revenue. If we change B3 to the number 3, the third line is gross income. Doing that once more to pick up the gross income year for year 1, type equals offset, the reference, which is the starting point, the heading, followed by a comma, then the number of rows we're going to go down, which is contained in B3, the linked cell, and 0 for the number of columns. Now copy that across. We now have the data to create the graph. Highlight the data in row 16, go to Insert, and then insert a 2D column graph. We'll need to resize the graph and move it into location. To create the combo box, you will need the Developer tab. If you don't have this, you can add it under File, Options, and Customize ribbon. Click on Developer, Insert, Form Controls, and choose a combo box. Use the left button on the mouse to drag out the shape. Then we can change the properties on the ribbon. We need to choose the Control tab. The input range is the data we want to see appear in the combo box. And it's the various titles in the lines of the income statement. The linked cell is B3. And click OK. Clicking away from the combo box takes it out of design mode and means we can now use it. For example, we can choose the SG&A or the earnings before tax. Right-clicking on the combo box puts it back in design mode, which means we can now move it to hide the linked cell. And finally, to tidy up the spreadsheet, we will go to Page Layout and remove the grid lines. The spreadsheet is now finished and working properly.